So far, we've been exploring the Facebook Business Manager and specifically this business settings area.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
But if we click on the top left here in this business settings, you will see that there's a lot of options, and we've just only been scratching the surface in the business settings. What we want to make sure is that we have our profile and ad setup and the page setup, and that's what we did here so far. So now that we have our page and we can see that we have a person who can manage the page, we can start doing more with the page, like running ads. But before we run ads, the ads have to be on a page that looks good, that looks professional. You cannot just run ads on some kind of a bare page that doesn't look very professional or good, because it will just turn off users and they're not going to respond to your ads. It's going to be a turn off and it's going to cause a lower conversion rate for your ads. So what we'll do is we'll start setting up our page. What's going to happen is we'll go to this top left, we'll click that, and we're going to go under this area of create and manage. We'll go into the business manager, and you'll see that in the business manager you have that page that we added. And when we click the page, it's going to take us to our actual page so we can edit parts of it. Here I have some bare items. If your page is new, what you will need to do is add an image that is your logo, the icon, and you will need to add the cover image. These are very important. A few other things that are important is to populate the page with at least some posts. And you'll see on the right side, I have this area that says no rating yet. You'll want to get colleagues or friends or clients to add a couple of ratings. Maybe you'll have a story, maybe you'll have a few other things, so that your page will start to look professional and active. Now, a few tips on this. You don't want to have an image like this for the banner. You want to have it with less text and maybe something more visual, more visually appealing. And in your logo area, it really depends on how you want to brand things. For some businesses, you want to have your face there. Like if it's a personal branded business, you want to have that. If it's a brand like Amazon or something, you want to have the Amazon logo. So essentially the logo of your brand here. And they're really easy to set up. All you do is essentially mouse over, and in my case, it would be update because I already have something in here. In your case, it would be like add new. The same thing here. You can click the camera icon and you can change it to whatever you like. So these are the basics of what to add to your page to make it begin to look professional and active.